Hi, this is Yola from Starry Homestead. You take care of your loved ones, we take care of your home. I'm back with episode 7 of Starry renovation series. The most common indoor air pollutants are formaldehyde and benzene. Let's talk about formaldehyde first. It is a harmful substance hidden in compressed wood products such as plywood, particle board, wall panels, new furniture, adhesive and glues. Formaldehyde can also be found in freshly painted walls. For benzene, it is usually found in glue, adhesive, paint, and wax materials on the surface of furniture. If formaldehyde and benzene exceed safety level, they can cause discomfort to the eyes, nose, and the respiratory system. Firstly, let's talk about what we can do to minimize air pollution. First, be careful when choosing paint. Common paint usually emits uncomfortable odor because it contains harmful materials. For safety, we recommend using Nippon Paint odorless or aqua body-like paint. Nippon Paint odorless paint is a type of odorless paint that uses a special low VOC formula to effectively reduce the irritating odor indoors. Aqua body-like is a water-based and a low VOC paint that is durable and has very good coverage. It can be safely used indoor and outdoors. We can also prevent indoor air pollution by choosing solid aluminum material instead of using plywood, which require glue to bond. The glue contains a large amount of formaldehyde and benzene. However, aluminum furniture can only be made into modular furniture, which limits its design of it. Therefore, most customers still prefer traditional wood carpentry. Alternatively, you can also use E0 grade plywood, which has zero formaldehyde emission. Although this type of particle board can be greatly reduce formaldehyde emission, it is also more expensive. You may not have realized it, but new furniture is also a potential source of pollution. Almost all new furniture contain harmful pollutants. For example, the headboard of a bed uses glue, which emits harmful substance. If you're buying furniture, it's recommended to choose environmentally certified product. Opt for furniture without glue or choose furniture made of solid wood. There are some sources of pollution that we may not be able to completely avoid, such as wallpaper and fabric products such as curtain, cushion, and so on. In order to move in a new home with a peace of mind, it's recommended for interior designers and homeowners to open doors and windows for ventilation after renovation. In addition, if you feel the air quality is poor, you can consider using an air purifier to reduce indoor air pollution. However, it's important to note the size and the coverage area of the purifier and to simultaneously open all cabinets. You can consider putting some plants and a bamboo charcoal product around your house. They do a great job as a natural air purifier to remove harmful pollutants. Finally, if there's no urgent need to move in, it's recommended to move in 1 to 2 months' time after the renovation is completed. These are some knowledge about indoor air pollution after the renovation that I share with you today. Thank you for staying with me. We are giving away 2 air purifiers worth $780 each. Head over to our Facebook page for more details. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Starry Homestead. Care that shines beyond interior design.